Hello everyone and welcome to the review of Old City Apartment 4 Stars Hotel. We hope you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more hotel reviews in the future. You can also book your visit through booking.com. You can easily find the link in the description box. Old Street City Apartment 4 Stars Hotel in London, UK within US Travel Directory. Stay in the heart of London. Old Street Apartments offer self-catering accommodation in various locations around one of London's trendiest districts. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each apartment will provide you with a seating area and a flat-screen TV. There's a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, fridge, and cooking facilities. Each private bathroom comes with either bath or shower, as well as complimentary toiletries. The bars, restaurants, and boutique shops of Brick Lane, Hoxton, Shoreditch are also within 10-minute walk of apartment. London Heathrow Airport is located 26 kilometers from the property. Old Street City Apartments, London Hotels, UK. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.